Well, I first discovered ATS through my mom, who was an LPN as well. A couple of her, the aides at her job were starting up, and she was like, you should do it. If you want to be a nurse, go ahead and go for it. Well, first off, they didn't judge. I'd never been to college before. A lot of places want these prereqs and everything, which kind of can be surmounting to you. So not having to do that, to have that kind of incorporated with that giving, if you didn't get it, well, we'll give you a little more time. You know, it was more around us compared to being to the school. Like, oh, we need to get this grade. They wanted to be more about the student than just getting the grade to make the quota, you know? So I appreciated that. The biggest thing I have gotten from this is not to give up. My mom passed right before I finished. And my teacher, Ms. Reason, who follows me to this day, pushed me. She said, you can do this. You are walking in your mom's steps. You are going to keep going for what she's doing. And from that, I've even went to my RN, and they have me down for the Illinois National Board to ask about the questions. Like, I'm just the drive. And the school has, if they don't do nothing else, they teach you to drive. It's based off of you. You can do anything. And I will wish that for anyone that's going forward in anything in life. And I got that from ATS. But they stayed true to being true to us and to make sure we put our best foot forward. If we fell down, it didn't matter if it was 8 o'clock at night, they were calling you like, hey, what's going on? You can do it. Don't give up. They gave you that reassurance when you wanted to, when you felt like you were failing. Like they even said in graduation, they told us, you did it. You made it this far. You can keep going. And that stays in your mind, because a lot of us don't have that. We have people against us. But for inside that building, ATS achieve, we achieved because of them. Well, actually, what I'm doing next, I'm actually in RN school now, for my associate and bachelor's. I graduate in December. I'm sitting right now at a 3.7 GPA. They want me to actually teach, so I'm actually a part teacher for the math part of it. So I'm just going to keep going. I want to be a nurse practitioner eventually, but they're kind of pushing me to be a teacher. So I kind of want to give back what I got. So I may do both. I may do the NP, but I also want to give back like I got. So that's my aim at this time. My advice to future ATS students is be true to you. Even when your back's against the wall, keep going. Because at the end of the day, it's you and your class. It's you and your teachers. You're a unit. And don't forget that you're never alone when you walk into ATS.